Hello once again. My name is Enoc Garcia and I am the founder of Honest Accounting Group, a QuickBooks consulting and bookkeeping firm. And today we're going to discuss how to run a balance sheet report. So let's get started. Once you've logged on to QuickBooks Online, we will go to Reports. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, once you hit the star, it'll move the report to your favorites so you can have easy access to the reports that you like to see frequently. So let's go to balance sheet. And here's the balance sheet. This is a sample file, so these numbers are sample numbers, but nonetheless, let's look at the options we have going on here. At the top, we have the date range, and then we have here where we can see the report in columns by days, weeks, months, quarters, and so on. You can compare your reports to previous years or periods, and you can see the percentage of each row or column. This section is very important. Is your business running on a cash basis or accrual? This is important for you to discuss with your accountant. This relates to the type of reports that you're looking at, but also for tax purposes. Okay, so let's look at the balance sheet. The balance sheet, the top section here, from total to assets here, we're seeing the total assets, everything that, including bank accounts. So we have the checking account, the savings account, accounts receivable, AR. This report is showing all of the invoices that you've created within QuickBooks but have not been paid for. So this is showing how much is still owed to you. Current assets would be inventory. If you have inventory in your business, this is an asset that should be listed here. Undeposited funds, these are monies that you've received but have not deposited into the bank account. And fixed assets, usually your vehicles, equipment, computers, etc. And let's scroll down a little bit more. Liabilities, we have different types of liabilities. Accounts payable, bills that you have entered into QuickBooks Online but have not paid. Credit cards, pretty straightforward. If you have more than one, they will all be listed here. Assuming that your books are reconciled, this amount would show the balance due as of the previous period, which would be the period that you reconciled. Other current liabilities, these vary, but usually is if you are selling products, you'll have your sales tax payables here. If you have any loans that are payables that are going to be paid within a year, and long-term liabilities, notes payable, these will be loans that are going to be paid back after the year, after 1 year. Equity, how much money was used to start the business. Retained earnings and net income. Net income, this figure comes from the profit and loss. So whatever your net income is showing, you'll see you have the income, all of your cost of goods sold, and all of your expenses, net income. This number should be the same. This is a brief summary on the balance sheet. The balance sheet really is important for you to understand where your business stands. It's very important for tax reasons if you have more than $250,000 in revenue. And one last point, it's very important that when you run this report and you look at it and you use it to make business decisions, you have to ensure that the books have been reconciled. If they're not reconciled, these numbers could be over or under. So once again, just ensure that all of your books are reconciled. My name is Enoc Garcia, and if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. and share it with someone that you feel would benefit from it. Once again, Enoc Garcia from Honest Accounting Group. Thank you so much.